Nick, I got Oreos up there somewhere.
No, he didn't
into the microphone.
We got the Wi-Fi.
Wait, what? Hi guys. So today we are at Jeffrey's house and me and my mommy are here and my daddy and everybody's talking from that noise and there's Ingrid and that's daddy and
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, June 27th. We are currently in Charlotte. I'm with Caesar. And we are on our way to the chemical guys meet. That's what it's called? Yeah, to the meet where you guys look at cars, you talk about chemical products, I don't know what else. It is early in the morning. It is 8. We woke up at 6:40. Well, I woke up at 6 o'clock to get ready. And yeah, guys, we are on our way. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and join the family. Look, go with Daddy. Oh, scare him.
I'm gonna do it in my car. Does he buy me when I'm gonna go get him some to the little duck. Oh, you little. Cuidado. Are you little hungry duckies?
I'm scared you're gonna fall.
What? He was smelling his butt.
Yeah?
What's up, guys? You already know we in.
You cannot curse.
You cannot cuss? My bad. My bad.
Okay, I'll just block that out.
Alright, so we're in Charlotte, North Kakalaki. Where are we going again?
Going to Ikea.
Ikea.
Cause there's a long line.
Oh, look at that car, y'all. That shit go hard. That shit lower.
There was a long line, so we had.
So we're going to Ikea. I don't know for what. I mean, so for some carpetas, no sé qué pedo. Ollas, trastes, cucharas. Anyways, we're here in Charlotte. Came and visit the brother-in-law. First apartment. I remember when I got my first apartment. Oh, looking sexy. Looking like a chola. Where your eyebrows at, girl? Alright, I'm out, y'all.
We are actually currently at Ikea and we have to wear these uncomfortable masks, but it is what it is to get the merch for Ikea. I came to buy a few little things.
And this is me.
Hey, stop.
Sometimes
Hey, do you want to wait for Jeff and Ingrid? So we currently are in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is where the only Ikea is in North Carolina. So we are back. I didn't even record because it was packed in Ikea. It was so packed that you couldn't even walk through. The lines were so long, but we got through real quick. I ended up getting all my furniture, so stay tuned for me building the furniture. I practically spend most of my check, but it's okay because I got a supportive husband who supports my Ikea addiction. So it's okay. But we're about to head home. Well, not home. We're about to head back to my brother's apartment. Just take a chill pill, relax. I'm gonna edit a little bit, most of the footages that I'm gonna upload, and then maybe later tonight I'll see if I vlog more. But
Nice try.
Good job. One job.
Don't eject me.
what happened to your hair?
Oh.
Did they